Hi everybody, this is Chris from Style Harmony, and today's tutorial is about making your own plastic pockets. I know that a lot of you crafters do sell your products on craft fairs. And as we know, sometimes people have dirty hands, so that would be a shame to stain your finished products. So having plastic pockets makes it not only very professional, I mean the end look of it looks very professional, but also it's going to protect them from this wear and tear. So let's go to the table and see what you'll need. So what you'll need for this project are, first, page protectors, and you can find these very easily in all kinds of office supply stores. Just make sure when you buy them that you buy the very clear one, not the, the frosty one or the one that have colors, because it's going to denaturate the product that you put inside. So, page protectors. You will need also a burning tool. This burning tool cost me under 10 bucks, and I bought it at, I think, maybe Joann's or Crafty Corner. That's a good place, and the brand of it is called, let me check, I can see it here, it's Walnut Hollow, but I think that Memory Keepers do some as well. And you've got all these tips that go with it. You can change them according to what you do. It's mainly made for burning wood, but this also is very useful if you are cutting out your own stencils. That will be the greatest tool you can use. If you're doing your own stencils, don't use this kind of plastic because it's too flimsy and it's not going to work. You need to use something a little thicker. The ones that you use for shaker cards, for example, that will do the trick. Also, what you will need is a metal ruler. Don't use a plastic ruler because you're going to burn it out. And some kind of maybe glass sheet. I've got glass here. And it's just because if you're using this burning tool on your cutting mat, it's going to burn it. So I just used this and I put some paper on it under here so it would be nicer. I didn't have to buy anything for this piece of glass. It's just the glass that was in a frame, photo frame I took out. The other thing you could use is a silicone mat. You can use that, the one you use for your kitchen. That's perfect because it's made to be burned, up to a certain level. And this is the end result. This is what you can do with it. I made these with page protectors. This I need to be sure about the size of it, but it works perfectly well. And I've got another one here. I don't know which one's the best. Please tell me it. Leave me some comments. Do you think the bigger one is better or the smaller one? This is a professional one that I bought, an already done pocket, and you can't hear. It's not the same sound, but I mean the end result is about the same thing. They're as clear as the other one, and then you just need to put your paper on it. I usually put the staples here. This is a tip I can share with you. I put the staples on my side, on the side of the finished product, because then I will be able to put a label and cover it up. And the other side, I can leave it plain and nobody is going to be hurt by this part. This part can sometimes hurt and it's not really nice. So I usually put it on this side, put a tag on it, and nobody can see it. And it's safer for everybody. Talking about be safe, this burning tool is only for adults. So please, if you youngsters are looking at this video, ask for an adult to help you because you might burn yourself really, really hard with this because the temperature goes high. So this is what we're going to do now. So we're going to use this simple sheet of protector, page protector, and I would recommend kind of opening it before putting your hand in here, just before, and then cut it back to the size you need. So let's see, whatever the size is, I might use another 3-inch. It doesn't really matter. It's just for the sake of the video. I don't want to make it too long. Then you use your burning tool, and you need to go fairly slow, not too slow, but not too quickly, because this is going to cut and seal your plastic sheet. And this would be also very useful if you wanted to, again, like a shaker card, put something in it and then seal it. I would maybe not put water in here just in case it might open, but that's it. I'm done. And here it goes. And it didn't burn, you know. I've got no trace of brown or, you know, burning thing. And I've got my pocket. So this is a long pocket, but I can cut it up to size. And here I just put a pendant. You know, it's a glass marble where you put a picture on the back and you can make them into pendants, or let me show you it before. And you can make these into pendants or rings. It would be a big ring, but why not? So this is quite heavy. It's just to show you that even though it's plastic and you made it yourself, it's not going anywhere. I can shake it on all sides and it's good. So this is the original cut. So I'm just gonna cut it down to really show you that it's fairly solid, really. And if it was not quality, I would not show it to you. Okay, so this is the part I made. This part, you know, with the little notches here, that was the original. So I'm just showing you how well it does work. And again, you know, and it's fairly heavy, and that's done. You can make it all the size you want. That's what I've done here, just specifically for this card. So if you have A2 size cards, A7 size card, whatever the size you have, you can have your own pockets. Always available on hand. Very easy to do. So that's it. This video is over. Please, if you like this video, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back very soon. Bye bye.